Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the keyboard theme on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to change the keyboard theme on your device provides you with greater flexibility, comfort, and customization options, enhancing your overall typing experience and making it more tailored to your individual needs and preferences. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. Okay, so the way to change the keyboard theme, click settings icon here, and then scroll the page, so select theme option. Well, so now you will find some styles, and select one of them to apply it to your keyboard, like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change keyboard theme on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.